Select any video that you want, open it, click here where it says share it, and collect your earnings. With this free and worldwide method you will earn money just by sharing YouTube videos. Now, let me show you how you can do that. Now, step number 1 for you will be to open YouTube of course, but also this website. Now, before I show you this actual website that will pay you just to share YouTube videos, I want to show you why this is one of the best ways to earn money online. After I did this method for around 2 days, I managed to get these results. I earned $892, I shared around 150 videos from YouTube, and I somehow got 17 referrals, so after just 2 days, this looks amazing. Here you can see that this website can pay you through different payment options that include PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and direct bank transfer. By the end of the video, I will give you a huge tip that will allow you to actually earn from this website, and you definitely don't want to miss it, so follow me until the end of this video. Now, you will just need to open the YouTube website. On YouTube you will need to search for some videos that you need to open and to share. Here you can see the list of categories of videos that you can watch and you can search from. As you can see, there are really a lot of categories and you can choose anything from art, business, health, sports and so on. But here is the first tip, you will not earn the same amount of money from every category, there are categories that pay more and that pay less money. So, I will really recommend you to go with business, computers, health, e-commerce or sports because these categories are paying the most. So, you need to select one of these categories. It would be best if you love doing something from these categories and you are interested in that. I will choose health for example now. Now, you need to come to YouTube, and you need to search for something in health. I remember that the weight loss keyword is really popular right now, so I will go with that. Here in the search bar, I will search for how to lose weight fast. When you hit enter, YouTube will probably show you the most popular videos from the category that you searched for. As you can see, all of these videos have really a lot of views, and they are really popular, which is amazing. This is an almost perfect example, because a lot of people are interested in this niche, and there are videos that are doing amazing here on YouTube, so it is a perfect connection, and it will not be a problem to earn money with this example. Now, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on. Now, you need to choose one of these videos that YouTube has suggested you. I will choose this one for example, because it has almost everything set perfectly. An excellent title says 15 simple ways to lose weight in 2 weeks. Amazing thumbnail and really good length of the video. Now, all you need here is to click on this video. When it is opened, all you need to do is just scroll down for a little bit, until you can see this share button. You need to click on this button and here you need to click on this copy button to copy this URL that leads people to this video. After you finish it, just paste your link somewhere to stay there, and then I want you to copy URLs of 4 more videos from the same exact keywords, so this was my first video, and I need 4 more to make it 5 videos total. I will not do that, and we will go to step number 2, which is to open this website called OKE.io. This is the website that will pay you just to share YouTube videos. You can find the links of all the websites that we will use in this video down below in the description, so feel free to go to the description and save some time. As you can see here, shorten URLs and earn money. So, this is free software that will allow you to paste your long links of your videos right here, and then it will give you much shorter links, and then it will pay you up to $27 per 10,000 clicks on your shortened link. Here you can see 3 simple steps that you need to follow in order to start earning money from this website. Step number 1 is to create your account. Step number 2 is to shorten your link. And step number 3 is to earn money. Before we start with an example, I will give you some bonus tips on how you can increase your earnings through this video, so make sure to keep watching the video until the end to not miss any of those tips. Here you can see payout rates on this page here. You can see that CPMs are not the same for every country, but don't worry, because we will always target top-tier countries that have the highest CMPs. Here you can see that the minimum payout is $5, and you can get paid every day, so if you earn money today, you can withdraw it today as well. And here are some of the payment methods, which are Bitcoin, PayPal and Skrill. Now, you need to create an absolutely free account on this website. You can do that simply by clicking on this button that says Sign Up. It will then take you to this page where you need to fill out this form in order to make an absolutely free account on this website. Here you need to enter your unique username, your email, and your password with its confirmation. Then you need to check this box to confirm that you are not a robot, and you need to click this button to create your brand new account on this website. When you log into your account, this is how the dashboard will look like. Here you can see all the information that you need. Here you can track your earnings and your clicks. Also, here you can see the withdraw button, and there you can withdraw your earnings. So, as soon as you earn your first money with this website, you will be able to come here and click on this withdraw button, withdraw your money, and spend it on whatever you want. Now, to shorten your link on this website, you need to paste your long link right here, and after that you just need to click on this shorten button. It will give you this short link which you can copy just by clicking on this button right here. Now, my ultimate trick and tip to instantly double your earnings is this. You need to go to this website called Shrink Me. Here you can see, shorten URLs and earn money. So, this is also a URL shortener. But, why would we use this? Well, we will use this shortener to shorten our link that we already shortened on this website. I know that it sounds confusing, but this website does the exact same thing as this one, and by using these two websites for the same link, we will at least double our earnings. Here you can see that this website pays as high as $220 per 10,000 views or clicks, which is insane. So, I don't need to talk a lot about this website, so I will just speed up and show you how you can make an absolutely free account on this website. On this page you need to click on the register button in the top right corner. It will then take you to this page where you need to fill out all the required details in order to make an absolutely free account on this website. Here you need to enter your unique username, email address, and password with its confirmation. After that, just check this box to confirm that you are not a robot, and then check this box to agree to their terms of use and privacy policy. Then all you need to do is to click on this register button, and that is it. This is how the dashboard will look like, and you can shorten your link here just by clicking on this button that says New Shorten Link. Now, here make sure to paste the link that you already shortened from this website, so, copy this, paste it here on this website, and then click on this shorten button. It will then give you this shortened link which will give you double earnings. Now, how you can actually earn money from this link is by going to Google. Here you need to search for a category that you have your videos about. So, in my case, I will type in weight loss, and then just add a forum. When you hit enter, Google will show you a lot of different weight loss forums. You need to choose and click on one of those. I will click on this one. Here you need to make a post and write that you have found a way to lose weight really fast, and then just leave your shortened link. It will get thousands of clicks here, and you will earn thousands of dollars. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on. See you in the next video.